Hi, good morning, class. Today we're going to take what we learned yesterday, how to convert an improper fraction to a mixed number, and use that to help us solve some addition problems. So in front of me I have 3 word problems. We're going to do number 1 together, and then you're going to do 4 and 6 on your own once you're done watching this video. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to read my problem. It says Sue ran 9/10 of a mile on Monday and 7/10 of a mile on Tuesday. How many miles did Sue run in the 2 days? So we're going to follow some steps today to solve these problems. So on your 4 and 6, I expect to see all 6 of these steps as well, just like I'm going to do here. So the first thing we're going to do is write my addition sentence. So for this problem, I have she ran 9/10 on Monday and 7/10 on Tuesday. So in the 2 days, she ran 9/10 plus 7/10. So I've done my addition sentence. Next, I'm going to make my area model. So I'm going to make 9/10, so I'll split it in half, and then split each half into fifths. And I have 9 of those. I also have 7/10. So I'm going to do the same thing, split it in half, split those in fifths, and shade in 7 of those 10 pieces. 7. Alright, next I'm going to write my improper fraction. So all these pieces are tenths. So I have 9/10, 11/10, 12/10, 13/10, 14/10, 15/10, 16/10. 9 plus 7. That gives me my 16/10. Alright, once I've made an improper fraction, I'm now going to use my picture and I'm going to move my pieces to make a whole. So I look at this 9/10 and I see it's missing one piece. So I'm going to take this piece right here and I'm going to move it here. So now this is 1 whole, or 10/10, and I used this piece. So I've gotten rid of this piece right here. It's gone. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tenths left. So this 16/10 is worth 10/10 plus 6/10. See how I moved one of my tenths over here? That's what I did to my fractions. One of my tenths went from here to here, so now I have 7/10, or 6/10 left. I'm sorry, 6/10. So this is what we call, this part right here is called a number bond. I have 16/10 and I'm splitting it into 10/10 and 6/10. So my 5th step is to make a number bond. And my last step, now that I have this number bond, I can see this is 1 whole, 10/10, and this is 6/10. So my last step is to write my mixed number, 1 and 6/10. So the answer to my problem is Sue ran 1 and 6/10 miles in the 2 days. Alright, so you're going to follow all 6 of these steps, so make sure you wrote down these 6 steps. If you did not do that, pause this video now and write down your 6 steps. All right, your job is to do 4 and 6 on your own. All right, I will see you this afternoon.